The story of the cat. The story of the camel and Susie fall into a never-ending home and meet a golden Rossi. Then they got a dish like king, but first they talk to seaman hands like I give key to you, dog. No use of the door in basement. And they're like, use the keyboard. And they must be Jevil in simple numbers game.